Alright, so today I have a new reverse osmosis system from Leysern. I'm not sure if that's how the brand is pronounced, but this is a new 5-stage system that was sent over for me to try out. To give you a few details about it, to start it off, this is rated for 1450 watts. The heating power is 1400 watts, so it will be able to heat water up for you. The cooling power is 140 watts. It's not going to make it super cold, but it has like a variable temperature of, I think it's like 43 to 51 or so, depending on your ambient temperature, room temperature. And then the feed water tank, 1.3 gallons, and then 0.4 gallons for our pitcher. Now it is rated for 528 gallons for that filter, so it will need to be replaced every so often. And the filter is just going to be right under the cover up here. And the cover is also going to let you know how to swap out the filter. Now to fill up the feed tank, it just pops off like so. You're going to fill it up and then put it back on. The water is going to filter into this pitcher here. And then from there, you could either take this pitcher all the way off, and you could pour water out from the pitcher, or you could dispense water from the dispenser from the pitcher. This also has a dual UV system in here along with that reverse osmosis system. So the UV light's also going to help keep things a little more sanitary as well. Now the machine is fairly quiet. It is running right now. I can hear it making a little bit of noise on there. Zoom in a little bit on the display here. It's going to show you the ambient temperature. It was 70 degrees is what this water is right now. And you have an option to do either hot, cold, warm, or you can just do the ambient, which is going to be that 70 degrees. As for the hot, it's supposed to dispense at 198 degrees. You're just going to hit that little water drop. Oh, you got to hit the unlock when it comes to the hot. Hit that water drop, and then it's going to dispense. You can also adjust the flow of like how much you want to come out. Like if you want a 4 ounce, a 6 ounce, 8 ounce, or you could just have it on where it's just until you turn it off pretty much. And there is a little bit of steam. It's showing how many ounces have poured so far, and there it is, it ended. And you can go here to change. Let's say you want an 8 ounce one. Hit that again, and now we're going to get 8 ounces instead of that 4 ounce that it just did. And this glass is going to be just a little small for that, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. As for the temperature, we are seeing 170-ish. So it's not quite that 198. Let's go ahead and set it to cold. It says 48. Let's go ahead and dispense. There is a little UV light that pops on. It lets you know that the UV light is cleaning the water at the same time. So the cold water does dispense a little faster. And it shows us the current ounces coming out. So we got 8 ounces on that one. As for temperature, we're seeing 52. It was saying 48 when I first was checking the temperature or dispensing it. So we were able to get 52 out of this one. Another thing that you could do is you could take this pitcher and you could put this in the refrigerator and you can chill it down that way. And if you get a separate pitcher, you can always have a separate one on here at all times and one in the fridge staying cold, which is something I did with another system I did. Overall, it's a pretty nice countertop reverse osmosis system. It's got cold, hot, ambient. It's got UV lights. It's got one filter to change, and it's rated for over 500 gallons per filter, which you can easily replace. But if you're looking for something that you don't have to plumb in to go on your countertop, this is the Leysern reverse osmosis system.